come to you, Seth, and like the way how Trump is making sure that all of us are up early, is Trump's or are Trump's moves giving you sleepless nights by any chance?
You want to wake up in the middle of the night and see the news. It's been constant now for the limited time that he's been the president, and now he has the whole world shaken up.
Exactly, the whole world shaken up. And how should one actually position themselves as global investors, given the fact that yes, this has actually increased the volatility across the globe when you talk about it, be it the Asia, EM, or for the matter of fact, developed world as well. So how should one actually place their bets right now in the global market, Seth?
Well, I think we're seeing what's going on already with equity markets going down, bond markets increasing a little bit already. Investors don't like uncertainty. It would be better to just know definitively what's going on. It's this uncertainty, although now that we've seen the tariffs go into effect with Canada and Mexico, I think that we can begin to understand what some of the impacts are. Canada is actually the largest buyer of U.S. goods, almost $350 billion. And Mexico is $334 approximately billion a year. So we are, and automobiles, frankly, in the United States come from Canada. They're assembled in Canada and Mexico, or parts come from there. It's going to cause disruptions just globally.
This is Shrishti also joining in, but give us a sense that what's in there for the Indian markets, because at one hand we are seeing the US markets taking a bit of a U-turn while there are tariff retaliation measures taken by China. But in India, there are not much of concerns with respect to tariffs, given the dependence of the imports from the US as well as the export exposure to the US markets as well. But along with that, we are seeing relentless selling pressure by the FIIs. So help us understand that within emerging markets, where do you see India is placed right now?
Well, I know China's improved a little. The market's improved somewhat recently, but I'm still have a very strong long-term view on India. You've got in your previous party, talked more about continuous growth in India over time. And as you said, India doesn't really export that much to the United States in relative terms. But this uncertainty, the sense that maybe the dollar, well, we see the dollar getting stronger, which is bad for foreign investors because, the rupee goes down, or when they sell out, they're taking a hit on the currency exchange. So it's negative for the market. And also, a lot of investment into India is based on index funds. And to the extent that retail investors and some institutional investors are selling their emerging markets funds or their Asia funds in general, that's going to affect India.
Right. Point taken, Seth. Thank you so much for joining us on the show and giving us your view, what's exactly happening in the globe and the markets as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.